Keyhole slots like this are a simple and sturdy way to hang picture frames, mirrors, and plaques on the wall with a single screw. In this video, I'll show you how to route keyhole slots with a handy template from Rockler. The challenge to making a nice looking keyhole slot is to get this entry hole for the screw head and this recessed slot for the screw shank centered on one another and straight. But that's what Rockler's picture frame keyhole template is designed to do. It has three 5/8 inch wide slots that accept a 5/8 inch outside diameter guide bushing mounted in a router. And you make the cuts with a 3/8 inch diameter keyhole slot router bit. The template will make 5 3/4 inch long or 1.5 inch long keyhole slots, either horizontally or vertically. Or you can stop the cut anywhere along the slot for making shorter keyhole slots. These short channels projecting out from the ends of the slots give wood dust a place to escape, so the guide bushing can reach the end of the slot without binding on all the accumulating debris. You'll need to decide how deep to make the keyhole slot, but the depth of cut is variable. Setting the bit depth about 7/16 of an inch deeper than the thickness of the template will create a slot that's strong enough to hang just about anything. So let's go ahead and lay out and route a keyhole slot on the back of this picture frame. First, find and mark the left to right center of the object you're hanging. This will be the center of the keyhole slot too. Then draw a line that represents the center line of the keyhole slot and mark the endpoints of the slot cut. Now clamp the frame or plaque securely to your workbench. I'm using holdfasts here, which won't get in the way of my template or my router. I'm also installing a scrap block next to the picture frame with double-sided tape to give the acrylic template more support beside this narrow frame. Then I can attach the template to the picture frame with more double-sided tape, with the template slot centered over my layout area. That's it for the setup work, so we're ready to route the keyhole slot. And that's easy to do. First, I plunge the bit all the way down and lock the router base in the plunge position. Then I slowly pull the router toward me to the other end of the slot. It's okay to back the bit up in the slot periodically if it begins to bind in the debris. When the guide bushing reaches the end of the slot, I turn the router off and wait for it to stop spinning before backing the router up to the entry hole and raising the bit. Rockler's picture frame keyhole template can make a useful detail like this much easier to make. Pick up the template, bit, and guide bushing at your local Rockler store or order them at rockler.com. I'm Chris Marshall with Woodworkers Journal Magazine and Rockler, and thanks for watching.